Investigators here at the Brown County Sheriff's Office say they are issuing a subpoena for somebody to testify before a grand jury sometime in November. They're not saying who this person is, only that they're being uncooperative. Meanwhile, Brittany's parents say they're doing whatever they can to make sure no one forgets their daughter's murder. A large wooden cross with flowers stands out alongside Route 68 near Georgetown, a short distance from where 22-year-old Brittany Stykes was found shot to death.
Did I ever think in my lifetime I would be putting a cross alongside the road for one of my children? No.
Brittany's parents, Mary and David Dodson, held a small ceremony Monday night at 7:30, the time they believe Brittany was murdered exactly 2 months earlier.
I never want my daughter forgotten. Not that I think she will be. I really don't. But the community is still coming to us and saying, don't take her picture down, leave her picture on the porch.
Hours after her family held their small memorial service here on the side of Route 68, Brittany Stykes' official autopsy report was released. 11 pages of information, including what the forensic pathologist says Brittany Stykes ultimately died from, a gunshot wound to the chest. The coroner's report says Stykes suffered gunshot wounds to her chest, neck, and right arm. She was found with $125 in cash and no trace of drugs or alcohol in her system. Brittany's parents say the report didn't tell them anything new. They're very interested to hear what this potential witness could tell a grand jury in November.
Just dealing with the grief and Brittany not being here and everything is so much on us that I trust in the Lord and I trust in the Sheriff's Department that they're doing their job. They're going to find the answers.
The Dodsons say their granddaughter, Brittany's daughter, Aubrey, is doing fine. Aubrey was shot in the head and has so far undergone 4 surgeries. She's currently at home with her father, Shane Stykes, recovering.